Hello, my friends. It is bundle time, and you know what that means. That means you save more. Let me give you a quick preview of what's in our bundle and then go watch the other video, but probably put it in your cart first to make sure you don't miss out. First of all, we have our add-on stamp set, which is so cute. Has our fun little wreath on there, has Christmas lights, so awesome. Of course, we have all the dies that match. Look at that. Ooh, this banner. The words are already spaced, the letters are already spaced for you, so you just drop them on that banner and decorate your cards. And then yes, there is a die set that matches, but it has words that go with it. So exciting. Here we go. An awesome word die set. You got to go watch the other video to see what it says, but you know what? You're going to love it because it takes up the whole card front. And last but not least, a stencil for our fireplace. That way, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.